Hi everyone, I'm going to take a minute and talk to you about the space-saving features of the Dual Duty Teaching Easel. It was designed based on feedback from teachers who told us how difficult it was for smaller classrooms to make room for device charging in and amongst all of the other furniture in their classrooms. This hybrid easel combines the features of a traditional teaching easel with the ability to store and charge devices in one central location. Features include an oversized magnetic dry erase whiteboard to support elementary curriculums. Being close to the ground, the oversized whiteboard helps even the smallest students participate in classroom activities. Other useful features include chart paper hooks and a safety cap book ledge for story time and marker storage. And for those that have flexible learning spaces where furniture is often rearranged, the large locking casters make maneuvering really easy. Technology is managed by the Tech Tubs. These lightweight tubs have a lifetime warranty and are made of durable ABS plastic, the same type of material that is used to make whitewater canoes and automobile components, so they're built to last. And they're secure. Each individual tub can be locked to keep the devices safe inside. If you've watched the other videos in this series, then you already know how we've improved the cable management in our Tech Tub 2. But real quick, it now has a slide-out drawer so you can see everything and have easy access to the power strip. There's also a really simple clip mechanism on each shelf for lining up device cables. Lastly, I want to show you the 10 device tub. From the outside, the 10 device option looks like 2 tubs, which it is, but they're permanently connected together with the device cables passing through one tub to the other. Depending on the number of devices you are storing, a power timer is included to make charging easier, with just one plug going to the wall. For devices, we have a range of models to support 6, 12, 20, 24, and 32 Chromebooks and iPads, and have optional USB hubs for syncing and charging iPads. Please check out our website to see all the dual duty configurations we have available. There you have it. If space is limited in your classroom, the Dual Duty Teaching Easel will make the most of every inch of floor space. It creates a unique zone for both traditional and tech activities. And for peace of mind, the Dual Duty Teaching Easel and Tech Tubs are backed by our no fine print warranty. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment to tell us what you think. And they're secure. Each individual...
Sorry, you were saying?
Do not move eyes.
For number 10,
Do not move eyes. Each individual tub can be locked to keep the devices safe inside.
Perfect.
La, 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 la.